Hi everyone, here we've got Realme X2 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and here we've got home screen and wallpaper, so simply tap on it. Now let's tap on set wallpaper, and here we've got three different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We can choose it from static wallpapers, live wallpapers and photos. So here we've got actually our own photos, and we after entering this section we will be able to pick one and set it as a wallpaper. But I will pick something from the live wallpapers, I suppose. But firstly let me show you the static wallpapers, because if you will choose those options, something from those options, then you will be able to set them on the lock screen and home screen. As you can see, after tapping on it you can see the preview, and here we've got the button set as, and after tapping on it you can as I said, choose either to set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And in the live wallpapers you cannot do that, because you can only apply it to the home screen. So let me firstly change the lock screen. So let me pick, for example, this one. So let me tap on set as lock screen. We can check it immediately. Just lock our device, and as you can see the lock screen has changed immediately. So now let me pick the wallpaper, actually the home screen. So let me pick the live wallpapers, and here we've got two different options to choose from. I will pick this one, and as you can see this color is totally different from the previous one, and it is because you can customize it just by tapping on this edit icon. You can enter some options, so you can change the speed, the zoom, and the color of this wallpaper. As you can see after tapping here we've got some options to choose from, so I can pick this one, but I think I will leave this option. So if you're ready, just tap on tick, just tap on save right here, and as you can see, as I said, here we've got the difference. Here you've got the button, but you can set it only as a home screen wallpaper. So if you'd like to do it, just tap on set, just tap on this button, and let's go back to the home page, and as you can see the wallpaper has been immediately applied. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Realme X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.